Hey guys, Steve from Martell Training Group. I'd just like to welcome you to our video. Today we're going to be reviewing, the DJI's OM5, which is a smartphone stabilizer. And I have it right here connected to my iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is how it comes. It actually comes with this tripod that you don't have to keep it on here. You can actually take it off. And it works fine without it. That's just for putting it down on a base. Price at the time of recording is $159. I ordered it directly from DJI's website. Now I am a returning customer. I own 2 drones for my drone business, DJI drones, so I am a big fan of their products. I am going to keep an open mind with this smartphone stabilizer, as it's the first one I've ever used. So let's get into it. Some key factors to keep in mind. It's very portable. It does fold up. It's connected actually. If I turn it off here, if I power it down, now I can pop the phone right off. It's magnetic. This is a clip that actually comes for your phone, to use with your phone. It actually is adjustable, so depending on the kind of phone you have, and it magnetically attaches to the gimbal. It's very convenient. It does fold up nicely. So if we fold the unit up, it fits nicely in this bag. They do send this bag. It's a very soft bag. It fits, perfectly in here. Even the actual tripod fits in there as well, so you can carry this around with you. One thing that I probably should have showed you when I had it all stretched out, it actually comes with a built-in extension rod. This is a very handy feature. So if you want to do some shots from below or a different angle, or if there's a crowd and you can't get close, you can hold it up with the extension rod. It's a very nice feature. Also on DJI's app, Mimo, if you download their app for this device, for the OM5, has a lot of nice features. One of the things that I like is it's got a shot guide and an academy setting on the app. So you press the shot guide, and I'll show you with some video. It will actually give you sample shots, and if you like those shots, it'll actually walk you through how to actually make those shots yourself. In addition, there's an academy selection in the app, and it will actually show you how to do different things. And there's also a very nice video editor that comes with the Mimo app as well, so you can make your own videos for TikTok, social media, whatever you'd like. One of the last key features that I find that it's very helpful is active track. It's the same technology they use on their drones. You simply make a green square with your finger. You outline the subject, whether it's a person or an animal that you want to track, and it will track that subject, so you can actually move the OM5 all around, up, down, left, right, and it will keep your subject in the viewfinder at all times. A very handy feature, also used on the drones. Some of the cons that I figured I'd mention right off the bat: it's probably one of the more expensive smartphone stabilizers. At $159, it is at the top end there. Also, it's not very convenient to carry around. I mean, I did just say one of the pros is that it comes with this bag and it fits in the bag. But if you're used to just having your cell phone only, and now you have to carry around this extra thing, that's one of the cons, I think. You have to carry it around with you, obviously. Also, the templates, which are great for making beginner videos and videos on the fly. If you're out and about and you don't have your iPad or your MacBook Air or your PC, whatever, and you can't do a lot of editing because you usually do it at your PC or at home, on the fly, the templates are great for making a quick video. However, I think they're a little limited. So they're great for basic videos, and you can do a pretty good video in a short amount of time on the app, with the app, but you're a little bit limited with that. So, and the last thing I'd say, I guess, the Gimbal Tilt, the tilt and rotation is limited somewhat. So it will follow you. You set it up on the tripod, you see here on the tripod, and you walk around. It will follow you to a point, but obviously it has limitations. It will stop the tilt and rotation at a certain point. So basically, who's this for? I think this is great for somebody who posts a lot of videos on social media and who the person that wants to up their game. So you use your smartphone. Everybody always has their smartphone with them wherever they go. So you have a nice phone and you have great video capability with it. You add this with it. It adds a level of smoothness and it looks professional. And your videos just takes them to a new level, I think. If you're someone who doesn't do a lot of videos or you're okay with your smartphone, then I would say you probably don't want to carry this thing around with you just because it's something extra to carry. So the person that wants to up their game with the videos, I would highly recommend it. So with that, in conclusion, I'd say my final thoughts are that it is worth the $159. I think the pros outweigh the cons. Even though smartphone technology is so far advanced nowadays, I think the two of these together make an awesome combination. I think you make these smooth, professional looking videos in a relatively short amount of time. I think it's worth it. DJI does make a carrying case. It's $39 at the time of this video. They have, I think, 2 color options, black, and then there's blue and yellow, I believe. They do have a carrying case. It will carry the OM5, and it will also carry other devices similar to the OM5. DJI on their website, they list a whole, the Mini 2, the Mavic Mini, the Mini SE, the Pocket Series. Obviously, they'll all fit in here. It has extra space. It has a shoulder strap. I will put links down below in the details for the OM5. It will take you directly to DJI's website if you'd like more information or you want to purchase the OM5 or the case for the OM5. I will put links for that as well. If you like the video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We are planning on putting out some more product review videos in the near future. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe.